NeroDelta is a Canadian company offering superior solutions to modernize hydro and turbo generators that help you keep your power plant operating at full capacity. Our experienced team provides hydro and turbo generator solutions for companies across the globe. Our custom hydro generator modernization services ensure the needs of each individual client are met. NeroDelta's automated production lines of Robel bars and Stator coils use industry-leading manufacturing equipment from Vincent Industries. We have successfully produced Robel bars up to 8 meters in length with transposition options of 180, 360, 540, and 720 degrees. Minimal human interaction with equipment ensures the highest quality results and level of precision on every product produced. Due to automation and optimization of our operations, NeroDelta manufactures hydro generator parts at a reduced cost, allowing us to offer prices below our competition. NeroDelta's services include full design and manufacturing capabilities that deliver maximum performance and reliability. Consistency and precision are the cornerstones of our success. Whether you are looking to modernize your equipment or maintain your current hydro generator, we are here with a solution for you. Call us today for more information on how NeroDelta can help you with your modernization needs.